everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add new members on Instagram group chat. So watch this video till the end. After creating group chats on Instagram, you might find that you've forgotten to add members. Fortunately, group chats make it simple to invite new participants. You can add any new members you want as long as you have room for members. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap the direct message icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap Group Chat where you want to add new member. Tap on See Group Members. Scroll down and you can see Add People below Members. Tap on Add People. Click to the checkbox of the people you want to add. Tap Done. Click OK for confirmation. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.